Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you'll fine, good, cool and having chill. And first of all, Eid Mubarak to each and everyone. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you try a beautiful Shemagh. Okay, this is very different and it's for special for Eid. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Shemagh. And if you want to purchase this kind of Shemagh or turban, you guys can contact to my own brand Ariel. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. So let's start this beautiful tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.